Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G.
Kamara at Digital Trends, and I'm here to give you my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you're considering either of Samsung's new foldables as your next phone, you're probably wondering how they hold up in terms of durability. Previous models had major durability issues for the hinge and the screen protector. There's some major improvements on both models. The hinges on both are reinforced. They can hold up to 200,000 opening and closings, and they're waterproof. Both phones are rated IPX8, which means they can survive dunking in water, and they're somewhat protected against dust ingress because they have a sweeper hinge with bristles inside that brushes dust right out. Their cover screen in both is covered in Gorilla Glass Victus to protect against scratches, and the pre-installed screen protector will also increase durability by 80% according to Samsung. So the big changes on the Z Flip 3 are that there's a 1.9-inch cover screen, which is bigger than the 1.1-inch from last year. So all the notifications are more accessible, they're actionable, meaning you can actually dismiss them, and you have better access to like all the timers and widgets. Once you flip it open, there's not many major changes, but there are a few key ones to note of. The screen's a little bit brighter, and it's also a higher refresh rate. So even though you get a 1080p display, it's 120 Hertz, so everything feels smoother. There are a couple key differences between the Z Fold 2 and the Z Fold 3. For one, the cover screen is now 120 Hertz, so it's smoother and nicer to use than the 60 Hertz screen on the previous generation. Once you flip it over, you still get a 7.6-inch 120 Hertz Quad HD screen, but the entire panel is now S Pen compatible. So as long as you have the S Pen Fold or the S Pen Pro, you can write, draw, and sketch on it. You also get an under-display camera, and it's hidden except when you need to take a selfie. So the only time you'll notice it is on a white background. You'll see some pixelation. When you flip the phone closed again and you want to take some photos, you'll see three 12-megapixel sensors, including a 12-megapixel primary, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto. At this point, you're probably wondering which of Samsung's new foldables should you buy. If you're a big productivity person, if you're big on watching video, the Galaxy Z3 Fold is your best option. The Z Flip 3 is one of the lightest and smallest phones that I've used. It's really compact, it folds, and it's easy to slip into a purse or your pocket. I'm Kamara at Digital Trends. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative for helping you decide between the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3.